Hello children, welcome back to my channel. I am now dealing with 7th class maths quadrilaterals, and in this types of quadrilaterals. In this topic we are learning about different types of quadrilaterals. First one, let me talk about trapezium. Trapezium, see, this is the figure of trapezium. So what is the property or definition? A quadrilateral means a four-sided figure with one pair of sides are parallel. So this arrow mark indicates that these two are parallel. This is called as trapezium. So in the given figure ABCD, AB is parallel to CD. This kind of figure is called trapezium. Next we have kite. This is the figure of kite in which, see, a pair of consecutive sides are equal. So a quadrilateral in which two distinct consecutive sides. See, these two are separate. Distinct means separate consecutive sides are equal in length. So equal measure is given with equal symbol, children. These two are equal, these two are equal. So in ABCD, AB is equal to BC and AD is equal to DC. And another property here is diagonals are perpendicular to each other. So AC is one diagonal, BD is one diagonal. They are perpendicular. Here they meet at each other at 90 degrees. So these are the two properties of the two different types of quadrilateral, children. Please note it down. Now the next property is parallelogram, children. Parallelogram means a quadrilateral in which opposite sides are equal and parallel. So this is ABCD. These two are opposite sides. These two are opposite sides. They are equal and parallel. And that figure is called parallelogram. So in ABCD, AB is parallel to CD and AB is equal to CD. The arrow mark says that they are parallel and a single line representation says that they are equal. Similarly, AD is parallel to BC and ID is equal to BC, or BC is parallel to AD and BC is equal to AD. So, basing on the opposite sides, it is finished. Another property, diagonals bisect each other. If you draw the diagonals, they divide each other into two. Bisect means divide it into two. So, at O, they divide. AO is equal to OC. Bisect each other means what you can AC bisects BD means this can also be written as AO is equal to OC and BO is equal to OD. You can even write this. The diagonals AO is equal to OC, BO is equal to OD. So this is other property, and another one, opposite angles are equal. Angle A is equal to angle C, angle B is equal to angle D. And adjacent angles are supplementary, means their sum is 180. Angle A plus angle B is 180. Angle B plus angle C is 180. Angle C plus angle D is 180. Angle D plus angle A is 180. These are the properties. We are going to have certain problems basing on these properties, children. You should learn them well. Please note it down. Now the next quadrilateral, rhombus, children. In rhombus, all sides are equal. AB is equal to BC is equal to AD is equal to DA. And diagonals are perpendicular bisectors. AC and BD, they are perpendicular to each other and they divide each other. So in ABCD, AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA, and AC bisects BD, and AO is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. This is the the properties of rhombus that we have done, children. Next we are having rectangle, a quadrilateral in which opposite sides are equal and each angle is 90 degrees. So ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AB is equal to CD, AD is equal to BC, and each angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D 90 degrees. And the next property, diagonals are equal. AC is equal to BD. So these are the properties of rhombus and a rectangle. Please note it down, children. Now, other quadrilateral. Sixth one is square. Square is a rectangle with equal sides is called a square. So it has got all the properties of a rectangle, but sides are equal. So in this ABCD, AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA, and the diagonals are equal. AC and BD are equal. Diagonals bisect each other, means diagonals bisected to OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. This is the property of square. So this many types of quadrilaterals are there for you children. Please note it down. Now example 5 children. Find the perimeter of the parallelogram PQRS. PQRS is a parallelogram. This is given to us. Therefore, what you can say, PQ is equal to RS, that is 12 centimeters. QR is equal to PS, that is 7 centimeters. So, perimeter of PQRS is equal to PQ plus QR plus RS plus SP. That is, perimeter means sum of all the sides. PQ is 12, QR is 7, RS, PQ is equal to RS is 12 plus SP or PS is one and the same, that is 7. So how much you are getting? 12 and 12, 24 plus 14, 8, 3, 38 centimeters. Therefore, perimeter of, this is the symbol for parallelogram, PQRS is 38 centimeters is the answer, children. So, let me explain you once again. The question is you have to find the perimeter of parallelogram PQRS. They have given PQ measure 12, QR measure 7. Now we know that if it is a parallelogram that is given to us, PQ is equal to RS, that is 12 centimeters. QR is equal to PS, that is 7 centimeters. So perimeter means sum of all the sides, PQ plus QR plus RS plus SP. PQ is a 12, QR is 7 plus RS is once again PQ and QR are 12, so it is 12 and SP is 7. On adding, you are getting 38 centimeters is the perimeter, children. Please note it down. Now, this is example 6. BEST is a parallelogram. Find the values of X, Y and Z. So, BEST is a parallelogram. It is given to us. Therefore, angle B is equal to angle S. That means what? Angle S means I can write X. These are opposite angles of a parallelogram. Always they are equal. And we know that angle B is equal to 100 degrees. Therefore, X is equal to 100 degrees. So, this is one answer we have got. And angle X is equal to angle Y. They are corresponding angles. Why are they corresponding angles? See, ST or TS is parallel to BE. These two are parallel. This becomes a transversal. So, X and Y are corresponding angles. Angle X and angle Y are corresponding angles. So, they are equal. Therefore, angle Y is equal to 100 degrees. This is another answer. And we know that angle Y plus angle Z is 180 degrees. They are linear pair. So angle Y is 100 plus angle Z is 180 degrees. So what is angle Z? 180 degrees minus 100 degrees, that is 80 degrees. Therefore, X is equal to 100 degrees, Y is equal to 100 degrees, Z is equal to 80 degrees is the answer for this problem, children. So, please see it here. BEST is a parallelogram. You have to find X, Y, Z. Since it is a parallelogram, angle B is equal to X angle X because they are opposite sides of a parallelogram. Already we have learned the property that opposite angles of the parallelogram. Opposite angles are equal, so X is equal to 100 degrees because angle B is 100, X is equal to 100 degrees. Now, TS is parallel to BE because in the parallelogram opposite sides are parallel. So, angle X and angle Y are corresponding angles. So, angle X is equal to angle Y. So, angle Y is 100 degrees. We have got. And we know that angle Y plus angle Z is 180 degrees because they are a linear pair. In a straight line they are. So angle Y is 100 plus Z is 180. So angle Z is 180 minus 100, 80 degrees. So X is 100, Y is 100 and Z is 80 are the answers for this problem. Children, please note it down. With this, I am going to conclude my part. In the next class, I will be doing the next part.